Actually watching from the point of view sa bed. So this is how the 2,300 per night room looks like. So this is how you enter, guys, or this is where you enter. My outlet dyan. You can put your shoes and slippers there. There's like a queen size bed. By the way, this video is in 0.5 Of course, I have my laptop there. Split type na air conditioning, and of course actually you can open this there. Merong mga lalagyan dyan. They have a table, fire extinguisher, merong mirror. Yan. This came in free, tapos ito as well. Of course I bought this and pizza. They have a smart TV and my fridge. Don't mind my shade there. Water heater. Amenity kit. By the way, this is 2,300. Meron bidet. Yan. Hot and cold shower, very important. And this is from the point of view. There you go. Again, this is Pacificos Hostel near Gustuso Barili, near the National Highway. Thank you.